Alright, what's up guys? Another fucking video in this bitch. Update on losvecinosgarage YouTube. Now we have a shop. We have 2 bays where we do a lot of stuff. We have a lift, a lot of mechanic stuff, a lot of stuff going on. Just so we're about to start doing some new videos in the YouTube now. Right now we got a dyno days. We're about to tune this one real quick. Then we're about to tune the 6BZ, and then we're about to tune the Nismo over there. We'll show you once we get over there. We got a guy coming from Dallas, getting a transmission swap. I gotta get that done before 1 p.m. right now. So what time is it? Like 10:40 around there. Gotta get that swapped in, and then we get that car ready so we can get it retuned on the dyno, and yeah, let's get this shit going. Alright guys, damn, fucked up from my throat, but hey. Hey, we dropped off the cars already at the dyno. Well, I came about 40 minutes late. It's fine though. I just gotta go back to the shop right now. We're about to put a transmission on. I think we can do it in an hour and 30 minutes. Take off and put on. We'll probably try to do it less than an hour and 30 minutes, so we can bring the car to the dyno, fill up the trans and all that, and make sure the car drives fine. Like I said, the car's coming from Dallas, so hopefully everything goes fine. We're gonna pull up to the shop and we're gonna do that, and see you in a bit. Alright guys, as soon as you arrive, put it on the lift right now. This is the shop right here. This is the mechanic street wise shop. And over there is basically where we keep the parts and stuff like that. See, we're about to start right now. It's about what time is it? About 12 what? 12:11. I'll hit you back up. Either way, we're gonna be recording and stuff. Once we're done, I'll put the timer and that stuff, so y'all can see what's up. We're about going to bring it down. Put the other one in like this, ready to go. Let's get this shit ready to dyno. Alright guys, we're done here. What time is it? 1:28. 1:28 here. I think it took longer picking that shit up with that jack that we have and putting it inside, so yeah, it's good. It doesn't touch the header, so come look at this. Right now we're just gonna put a little bit more fluid. He didn't want to do the full drain on it, so we're just gonna put a little bit more. Bunch of headers. Everything is tied up as it should be. Sits right here. We put all the bolts around it, even the top ones, the 2 top ones. Some people don't do that, but we put all the bolts here, everything. ¿Ya está listo, Beto? Sí. Dyno, ¿cuánto va a ser en E85? 380. 380? Let's get this done and put a little bit of fluid, get it down. ¿Cuánto va a ser?
Va a ser 360 en 87.
87, voy a put. ¿Cuánto va a ser en diésel? 360 en diésel. Diésel 87, 93 y 85.
Y 85 va a andar con 310.
No, yo creo que va a ser unos 85, unos 350.
Back. My name is IPL Day, and today's dyno day. We're tuning the 370C on the 85. Just the tuner's car. The car made 330 on 93 right now. You need 85 on it to be able to see how much it makes.
All right, we're finding at the dyno. I'm finding at the dyno. This thing was here. It is. Over here. It is. This thing right here. This one right here. What car made?
$2.99.
$2.99, dog. Hey, we finished that transo. Car's ready. About to get on the dyno right now. This one, alternator bolt was loose, so brother's gonna try to fix it right now and see what happens. But it's been a long day today. Look, he's even tired. Look at that. Really a long day, man. Last car tuned. 93 and 85. 370C, 718, 2009. No tube headers. Hey, you have intakes? 3-inch? Yeah. Some 3-inch intakes. 650 injectors? 650 cc's. Fuel pump 340. Some good power. I think he did like 342 around there. I'm gonna end the video right here because I'm tired. I'll continue another video some other day, but we did good enough. Hell yeah, you gonna leave me hanging?
Y este tipo. Ay Dios.
Damn, dog. Shout out to the videographer. GGB Pack. I'm gonna end the video right here, and then I'm gonna put videos of clips of tuning the cars, flames, my car, his car, the other car, and the other car. Hope you liked it. Subscribe, like, comment, follow on Instagram. @vq.parts, gtunedperformance, nismoabner. Yeah, the sticker's on the other side, but vq.parts.
Alex, WXGRNDOS.
If y'all need any tune related, any mechanic work, ZVQGs, anything, let me know what's up, bro. So see you guys later. Peace.